I'm going to show you how you can make hundreds of dollars a day on YouTube by using somebody else's video. And the best part about this strategy is you don't have to show your own face. And if you're as ugly as me, not showing your face is a big deal. Alright, after you get over to the YouTube, just go to the search bar and search for whatever it is that you would like to promote. I'm going to use fitness for this video, but guys, you can use pretty much whatever you'd like. Alright, I searched fitness. Now I want to tap filters here. And you come over here and sort by Creative Commons. What Creative Commons is it's recycled videos that you can use as your own. Now that'll take you over to this page where you can select any video that you want and use it as your own. After that, you can go to a site called ClickBank. You're going to want to create an account. Here I'm going to health and fitness. Once you click on fitness, you want to sort by gravity. Alright, so I sorted by gravity. What gravity means is it is the hottest, most trending deals. You're going to want to pick one to promote. I'm going to pick this one. That'll take you to the screen. You're going to want to generate hop link. This is your affiliate link right here. So you're going to want to take that ClickBank affiliate link back to YouTube, download the video that you want to use, re-upload it, and in the description you can paste your link from ClickBank and you'll be able to make sales. And there you have it. That is how you make money on YouTube without having to show your face. For more videos on how to make money online, hit the like and follow button.